Hi guys, this is the project that we are going to build together. The first thing to understand here is to analyze a layout. Analyzing a layout before starting to write any piece of CSS code always saves us a lot of time. Like in this project, as you can see, I have structured the UI design into components and UI elements. The first step that I always do is to decide the name of section. So in our case, we call it pricing section. Now we have a container here that will hold and center our pricing. Container is a part of an object. We call object to those classes which fulfill our needs for structure or layout purposes, like in grid we have columns and rows. Next, inside our container we have pricing section, which contains 3 pricing plans with similar structure. Each pricing plan has signal, main heading, circle, features and call to action button. There are 3 main colors which we are using here. We can give them names like primary, secondary and tertiary. It is a good practice to think about the tools that CSS provided us during analyzing a layout. For example, as you can see, we have a recommended pricing plan which is in middle and scaling up to us. We can think about this property which could help us to deal with this case, or we can search on Google how to scale an element in CSS. There you will see a lot of solutions which will help you to increase your knowledge, confidence and solve the problem. I hope you learned something useful from this lecture. I will see you in the next one.